Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to look at comments in Java. So for the agenda for today, we will have three steps. First, what are comments in coding and what are comments used for in programming? Secondly, we're going to write our first comments in Java. And finally, we're going to have a practice problem together. So first, let's define what are comments in coding. Comments are used in coding to make people understand what we're writing. So if you're working on a project with some other individuals, you will need to write comments to explain the purpose of your code to your teammates so that when your teammates open your files, your coding files, they will understand easily what you're trying to do and they will be able to continue your work. Without comments, they will not be able to understand what you write, and without their comments on their specific coding part, you will not be able to understand what they are trying to code either. So it's a win-win situation if everyone writes comments in their code to explain what they are coding. Even if you work on some project individually, so alone, you will still need, or it is still highly recommended that you write comments in your code so that you understand what you are trying to do and you are trying to code. So if, for instance, I'm writing some code and then I go to sleep and then a week passes and I take my computer and I want to continue my project, I will not necessarily remember everything that I write. So if I wrote some comments to explain all the code I write, it will be easier for me to understand where I'm at and what I'm trying to do and to continue the work I've started. So for these reasons, comments are an essential part of programming, and even in your assignment, you will be asked to write some comments to explain your code. Now let's write our first comments in Java. So let's open our Eclipse IDE. Let's click on Create a Java project to open a brand new Java project. We'll call it Comments and then click on Finish. Double click on your folder, right click on the source folder, go to New, and then Close. We will call our file comments practice and make sure to check the public static void main method since it is the main method of our class and this is where we will be able to run our code. Now let's click on Finish and this open up. So perfect, we're gonna write some code. So let's write system.out.println parentheses, then double quotations, and we're gonna write hello. Then semicolon, and we will write again system.out.println, and we're gonna write how was your day, semicolon. And finally, if you don't want to write system.out.println each time, you can write sysout and then control space. So this is a shortcut that you can use to write the system.out.println function. And then let's write thank you. Okay, now click on the green button, the run button, and you can see that your text is being displayed into the console. But if I comment on this line, so the comment is two slash. So if you put two slash before what you're writing, you can see that it becomes green. All the text that is green means that they are comments and they will not show on your console. So when you click on the green run button, it will print everything and see every code that you're writing except the comments. So the run button will skip all the comments. So it will skip this line and go to 8, 9, and so on and so forth. So if you click on the double slash, it will comment your code. Now there's another way to write comments. And so the first way we say that it's to click on two slash. So this is a comment. but also to click on the slash and then start. Then everything that will be between those two slashes will be commented and skipped by the run button. So if you write here and here and here, and even if you write system.out.println and you write double quotations, hi, and then semicolon to close your sentence, it will be skipped by the run button and we will only see those phrases in the console. So now that we understand what is a comment, let's write a descriptive comment for a code. So let's do the two slashes to create a comment, and let's write this code is to print or is to display messages into our console. So this way we can know that the code below is used to display certain messages into our console. So we write the purpose of the code we're writing before the code so that we can understand that what is following is to display messages into our console. Perfect. Now let's have a practice example to know if we understood the theory so far. So this is the problem, and we have the solution, either A, B, or C. The problem is this. So we have some sentences, and we can see here it says program to print some text. Then we have some system.out.print sentences, and a thank you, and that's it. So now the question is, you need to find which line will be displayed into the console. So when you click on the run button for this code, what will appear or show into our console? So you can pause the video, try to know what is the answer to that problem, and then we can look at the solution together. We have three solutions, either A, B, or C. So check on that problem and try to think what will be displayed. Pause the video and then you can continue. So now I'm gonna think that you have a solution in mind. So the good answer to that problem is B. It is B because this is a comment because we have the two slashes. Program to print some text is just the description of what follows, what code follows. Then we have system.out.println, hello everyone. Then here's my list of my favorite pastries, which are not commented, so all good, it's gonna print out. Then we have 1, lemon meringue pie, 2, chocolate cake. They will be displayed because these are not commented. Then this is commented, so 3, banana bread will not be displayed into the console. Then we have 4, strawberry shortcake. It will be displayed because it's not commented. Then this is commented, it will not appear. And this is not commented, so the thank you will appear. So this is the answer. It's number B. So we will have, hello everyone, here's my list of my favorite pastries, lemon meringue pie, 2, chocolate cake, 4, strawberry shortcake. The A is not good because program to print some text is a comment, and we don't have the have a great day because it's also a comment, and we don't have the banana bread because it's also a comment. And the number C is not good because we have here 3 strawberry cake, shortcake, but it should be 4. Here, the order of the numbers is not important. Whatever is between the quotations will be displayed to the console. So we will have 1, lemon meringue pie, 2, chocolate cake, and 4, strawberry shortcake. It's not because the 3 has been commented that we need to go to from 2 to 3. No, we will still go from 2 to 4 because the 3 is commented, so we just skip this line. The run button doesn't even look at it, and we go to this line, 4, strawberry shortcake, so we need to display 4 and not 3. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you understood something new. You learned something new from this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.